player who is fulfilling his dream today. Let's welcome Kylian Mbappé. This is the moment we've all been looking forward to. Kylian Mbappé is taking his first steps on the Bernabeu pitch, saluting the crowd, the fully packed Santiago Bernabeu on this historic day for his unveiling. The unveiling that is followed today by millions of people across the globe. The majority of them Madridistas, of course. And look at that happy face, Javi.
I was about to say the same. Look at that smile on his face. We were commentating before that he said that he was relieved, that he was extremely happy. I mean, you can tell.
And we can tell Kylian Mbappé is not just joining the biggest club in the world, the most prestigious club in the world, but the club of his life, because he's dreamt about this moment
dreaming of, exactly,
since childhood. He is not just a Real Madrid player. He is a Real Madrid player who's a Real Madrid fan.
Absolutely.
And who'll become even more so from this season.
And you can tell, thanks to those amazing images that we've been watching in the previous videos.
Yeah, those highlights that were giving you goosebumps. And now we'll hear from Kylian Mbappé for the first time as a Madridista, as the Frenchman will speak for the first time wearing this shirt on this historic day that will definitely surpass all expectations as far as its exposure is concerned and the interest that it has aroused all over the world. Mbappé's mother, unable to contain her emotions. And now we will hear from the new Real Madrid player.
Ahora tiene la palabra el nuevo jugador del Real Madrid,
Kylian Mbappé.
Kylian Mbappé.
Buenos días a todos.
Good afternoon, everyone. Kylian Mbappé is addressing the crowd in Spanish.
Me voy a intentar hablar en español.
I'm going to try to speak Spanish.
Wow, es increíble estar aquí.
Wow, it's such an incredible feeling to be here.
Increíble.
Just incredible.
Ha dormido durante muchos años con el sueño de jugar con el Real
I've
Madrid.
spent
Y hoy se realiza mi
endless
sueño.
nights
Soy un chico
dreaming
feliz hoy, muy
about
feliz.
one day playing for Real Madrid, and today I am one happy guy.
Quiero decir las gracias primero al
I want to
presidente
thank
Florentino
the president,
Pérez,
Florentino Perez,
que tenía confianza en mí desde el
for
primer día.
always having great
Pasaba mucha cosa,
confidence
pero
in me.
quiero decir gracias.
There have been a lot of things going on, but we've done it. Thank you very much.
Quiero también decir las gracias a todas las personas
I'd also
que
like to
trabajan
thank
para que llego aquí.
all
Yo
those
sé que fue un
people
trabajo difícil, pero
who have
ahora ganamos.
put
Estoy
in
aquí,
a
soy un
great
jugador de
effort
Madrid.
for me to be able to be here today, who've done so much for me to enjoy this moment.
Veo ahora a toda mi familia están feliz.
My
Veo a mi
family
mamá que está
are so
llorando,
happy here. I
veo
can see my
toda
mom
mi
crying
familia.
of emotion.
Es un día increíble para mí.
It's an incredible day for
Desde
me.
que soy un niño,
I've dreamt
tenía
about this day
únicamente un
since
sueño,
I was a
poder
kid.
jugar aquí, y
I
de ahora
always
estar
wanted to
aquí
play for Real
significa
Madrid,
mucho para mí.
and now finally being
Por eso
here means a
quiero
lot to
decir
me.
gracias también a todos los
Therefore, I'd
madridistas,
like to
porque
thank all
desde muchos
Madridistas
años me dan mucho cariño, mucho
because
amor.
they've always
Eso se va
supported
directamente de
me
mi
and
corazón.
have given
Y por
me
eso quiero
their
decir gracias a todo el
affection.
mundo de estar aquí hoy.
And thank you so much. You're also one of the reasons why I'm here today.
Ahora tengo un otro sueño.
Now I have another
Este
dream,
sueño es de cumplir. Quiero cumplir un otro sueño, es de estar a la altura de la historia de este club, el mejor
and
del
that's a
mundo.
dream of living up to this club's history and Madridistas' expectations.
Puedo decir una cosa, es que me voy a dar la vida para este club y para
I
este
can
escudo.
promise that I will give it my all for this club and this badge.
Quiero también dar un mensaje a todos los niños.
I'd also like to
porque
send a
yo vi que
message to
tienen
all those
muchos niños
kids,
hoy. Yo fui como
all these
vosotros
kids who are
antes.
also here today,
Yo
because
tenía
there
un
are so many
sueño
of them. I was
y
just like
hoy
you.
le realizo.
I had this dream since I was a kid, and today
Con la pasión, con
I
el
see this
sueño,
dream come true.
vosotros pueden realizar todo
And
lo
I
que
can
tú
tell
quieres.
you that if you have
Hoy estoy aquí,
the
la próxima
passion,
vez puede ser uno de vosotros.
you'll achieve your dreams.
La verdad que tengo mucha emoción hoy, porque
I'm very excited.
seguro que yo hablo mucho, pero
And
significa mucho para mí de estar aquí hoy.
The fact that I'm speaking, that I'm talking so
Y
much
soy muy feliz y orgulloso
means
de
that it's
este
very
mejor
important
del
for me
club
to
de
be
mis
here
sueños
today.
y
This
del
is the
club
club
más
of my
grande de la
dreams
historia del fútbol.
and the biggest club in the history of world football.
No me voy a hablar mucho más porque si no me
I
voy a
don't want
alargar.
to speak any longer,
Quiero hacer una cosa con vosotros.
but I'd like to do
Me voy a hacer
something
1, 2, 3 y vamos a
with
ir
you.
juntos a la Madrid
I'm going to
como una
say
gran
1, 2,
familia.
3, and you're going to say a la Madrid with me, just as a big family as we are.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
¡A la Madrid!
Kylian Mbappé, speaking for the first time as a Madridista, speaking from the bottom of his heart,